Bro, your first time in Italy.
I love it. It's beautiful.
What are you excited about the most to see?
A restaurant. I want to see a restaurant. Wait.
Cefalu.
Bro, tell him what happened today.
What, did I drop the potato?
No, when he
That was last night.
when he blamed me. And
Oh,
he
the
said-
lady.
Oh, the lady. She
He
was
blamed
such a
me.
nice lady.
He said, you know, she heard you. I
So
said,
it-
what did I say?
So we're standing there talking. We're standing there talking. Rosie and I are walking, and all of a sudden I hear this sound. And I turned around and said, Jay, I said, she heard you do that. Jay was like, what? I didn't say anything. So then I walked back to Rosie and said, he just farted. And she said, no, it was her. I said, no, it was her. It wasn't him.
Poor Jay.
For once it
my
wasn't
gosh.
me.
Yeah, for once.
It wasn't Jay. It
For
was
once.
a lady who was a nice thin lady. Looked very nice.
Oh,
Yeah, but she blasted.
yeah, it was. It was pretty loud and long, too.
Yeah, it was long.
That was
I noticed
long.
that too. Yeah. It was long.
Oh, that poor lady.
So anyway, so we're having fun in here at
Yes, we are.
Cefalu.
We're having a wonderful
Oh, the
time.
food here is spectacular, right?
Delicious pizza.
Oh, except for your dinner last night.
I didn't care for mine last night.
Yeah, but it was
I
good.
had it delicious. It was a nice fish.
That fish was,
Oh.
yeah, that was good.
So,
Yes.
But that's it.
That's it.
Bye for
Bye.
now. Say good morning.
Buongiorno.
What was that, Ro?
I said buongiorno.
What? Good morning. What are we having? Un cappuccino
Cappuccino e cornetto.
o il cornetto con
Con pistachio.
pistacchio,
Pistachio.
pistacchio,
E
E-
tu,
caffè macchiato.
macchiato.
Perfetto. Ciao. Better? I am so glad I got that old film.
Buongiorno. We're in Cefalu this morning, and behind me is the backdrop that they used for Cinema Paradiso. They used it as the town square, and where they were showing the movie on the wall. And over my left shoulder is the beach area that they filmed the opening scenes of White Lotus 2.
How you doing?
How we're doing?
Good.
fine.
I just climbed Mount Everest.
We did some rock climbing.
Yes.
Yeah,
We did do rock climbing, but it was fun.
the pictures are spectacular.
Where are we again?
In Cefalu.
Definitely.
We're at the Basilica in Shaka, and up top is a stained glass window with the Madonna. Hello.
We're on top of the world right now.
Are at the very top, almost the very top of Adiche. But anyway, you can see the sea out there, and right below is the Trapani and the salt flats.
What else? Are you happy to be in Italy?
I love being here. This is home. You know this is my home.
Yeah.